Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My today's topic is about types of adverbs. Types of adverbs. So first I will tell you what is an adverb. An adverb is a word which gives more meaning to a verb. As we write in maths, add. Add means addition. Actually the spelling is double D, A-double-D add, but it means addition. Okay, so adverb means which gives more meaning or which adds in the meaning of a verb. Okay, so adverb is a word which gives more meaning to a verb. Okay, so types of adverb is our today's topic. There are several different types of adverbs such as adverb of manner, time, frequency, place and degree. Adverb of manner tells you how the action of a verb is performed. Adverb of manner tells us how the action of a verb is performed. They are often formed by adding ly. Normally we add ly at the end of the verb to an adjective. For example, we sail slowly across the bay. So you can see here slowly. So it's a adverb of manner. Okay. The children played happily. This is adverb of manner, happily. Together. She stroked the cat gently. Gently is adverb of manner. Notice that you sometimes change the ending of the adjective before adding ly. For making an adverb, we change it into ly. We change y to I, as in noisy, noisily. We remove the final e of adjective that end in ble, ple, tle, etc. As in simple, simply. Look, simple. Ple comes at the end. So what we will write? Simply. We will remove e and instead of we will write y. Okay, simple, simply. We add ally to adjective that end in ic. For example, enthusiastic, enthusiastically. So what we did? tic comes at the end. So what we will write? tically. So we will add ally. Some adverbs of manner such as fast and hard do not end in ly. Remember that well is the adverb corresponding to the adjective good. In my next lecture, I will give you more details about the types of adverbs. I hope you will like this lecture. Thank you so much.